Australian parrots, a symphony of colour and adaptation. Australia, a land of extraordinary biodiversity, is home to a dazzling array of parrot species. These vibrant birds have captivated the hearts of birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts for centuries with their stunning plumage, melodious calls, and unique adaptations. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of Australian parrots, exploring their diversity, adaptations, and the challenges they face in their natural habitat. Australian parrots exhibit an astonishing diversity of colors, shapes, and sizes. From the iconic cockatoo with its distinctive crest to the nimble lorikeet with its brush-tipped tongue, each species has evolved to occupy a specific ecological niche. The diverse habitats of Australia, ranging from rainforests to deserts, have provided a rich tapestry of environments for parrots to thrive. One of the most remarkable adaptations of Australian parrots is their ability to survive in harsh and unpredictable environments. Many species have evolved specialized diets and foraging behaviors to cope with seasonal variations in food availability. For example, cockatoos are adept at cracking nuts and seeds, while lorikeets have developed brush-tipped tongues for consuming nectar and pollen from flowers. Some parrots, such as the golla, are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including agricultural areas and urban environments. Another key adaptation of Australian parrots is their social behavior. Many species are highly social and form large flocks or colonies. This social behavior provides numerous benefits, including increased protection from predators, improved foraging efficiency, and enhanced breeding success. However, social behavior can also have negative consequences, such as competition for resources and increased susceptibility to disease. Despite their remarkable adaptations, Australian parrots face a number of challenges in their natural habitat. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to human activities, such as deforestation and land clearing, have had a significant impact on parrot populations. Invasive species, such as feral cats and foxes, pose a serious threat to parrots and their eggs. Climate change is also having a negative impact on parrot populations, as it can lead to changes in food availability, breeding success, and habitat suitability. To address these challenges, conservation efforts are being implemented to protect Australian parrots and their habitats. These efforts include habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and public education campaigns. By raising awareness of the importance of parrot conservation and taking steps to protect their habitats, we can help to ensure the survival of these iconic birds for generations to come. In conclusion, Australian parrots are a remarkable group of birds that have evolved a wide range of adaptations to survive in their diverse and often challenging environments. Their vibrant plumage, melodious calls, and unique behaviors have captivated the hearts of people around the world. However, these beautiful creatures face a number of threats, including habitat loss, invasive species, and climate change. By working together to protect Australian parrots and their habitats, we can help to ensure their continued survival and the preservation of Australia's rich biodiversity.